Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, I thought I'm not audible enough. Everyone, are you there? Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Okay. Safia, Farhana, Yusuf, Saklain.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We had a class before, if you all remember. I took your class last week. Remember? Safia, were you there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Mudabir, I remember. Saklain, Farhana, Muzam, and Yusuf. Okay. So I will wait for another 2 minutes and I'll start with today's class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 2 more students are yet to join. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Make sure you have a notebook and a pencil and a pen with you. We have to write something today. So everybody be ready with notebooks and pen and pencil. Thank you, Saklain. Safia, you've got your notebook and pen. Muzam, Yusuf, just show me your thumbs up if you have everything ready. Thanks, Muzam. Okay, Saklain, thank you. Mudabir, you are muted. Are you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ahmed, just keep your copy and your notebook, pen and pencil ready, please. We have to write something today. Okay, that's great. Okay, then I will start with my class. I'm going to teach you about creative writing. Anybody has any idea about creative writing? Anybody? Nothing? Acha. What do you mean by the word creativity? No?
Making something.
You can Google it. Creativity. What comes to your mind when somebody says creativity? You have to be creative enough. What comes to your mind? First thing which comes to your mind. Nothing? Painting. Okay, good, Saklain. Yes. So in painting, you are creative. While drawing something, you tend to be creative. So that means you use your imagination, you use your mind to draw something or do something, isn't it? Right? So creative writing is the same concept where I give you a topic and you use your imagination, you use your own creativity to write something about that topic. It's kind of essay writing. But essay writing is more of academic writing. जहाँ पे आपको rules given होते हैं to, essay always has a rule. First the introduction starts, then the body comes, and then the conclusion. So there's a rule how to write an essay, and you're always given a time limit to write an essay. But creative writing, there is no as such rule to write anything. You have to write from your mind. You have to use your imagination. Okay. समझ आया? Say at least nod, say yes or no. Okay. So I'll share my screen with you. Then I'll give you a topic and you have to write at least 2 paragraphs on that topic. Okay. Anything, whatever you feel about that topic.
Done.
Okay. What is creative writing? It's an art of making things up. You know, जब बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, when they are 5 or 6 year old, they tend to make up stories and they tell you so many stories कि आज मैंने ये किया, आज मैं वहां गई, या बच्चे झूठ भी बोलते हैं. मम्मी पापा usually they tell you कि झूठ नहीं बोलो, but it's actually they are making up those stories. So जितना आपका mind, open up your mind and write, that is creative writing. Okay, it's a writing in a way that is not technical. Technical means यहाँ पे आपको कोई factual knowledge नहीं चाहिए, यहाँ पे आपको facts नहीं चाहिए. You need not write everything that is true. You can make up your own stories here. Or academic. Academic means there are no set rules to write creative writing. It has to be an interesting one. It has to be something which keep your readers interested. Okay, it has to be original. Copy नहीं करो. Write anything. It should be self-expressive. आप जो feel करते हो वो आप उसके बारे में लिखो. Okay? ऐसा नहीं होता है that there are some people who can write well. नहीं. Everybody can write well. It's only with practice you learn how to write. जैसे आपका डायरी राइटिंग होता है, कुछ लोग होते हैं वो डायरी लिखते हैं. So डायरी राइटिंग is an example of creative writing. डायरी राइटिंग में कोई रूल्स नहीं होते हैं. You know, आप कभी भी बैठ के उस पे डेट लिखोगे and what you feel throughout the day, that is what you're writing in your diary. So it's an example of creative writing. Okay? Understood? Till now, Uzair Parkar, you are late. We have already started with the topic of creative writing. You need to keep your notebook and a pen with you, please. Okay, so then there are some techniques to write creative writing. In order to make it interesting, what you should do? Every writing has a beginning. Beginning मतलब आप कैसे start कर रहे हो. Then comes your middle part. कि आपका middle बीच का portion कैसा है. And then comes your ending. जब आप कोई movie देखते हो, you know, when you start a movie, either you start a movie which your friend has suggested, or you want to see that movie because the advertisement is so great that you feel like watching it, isn't it? And at times it happens कि आपने movie start कर दी लेकिन आपको boring लगी, then you don't want to continue with that movie, isn't it? ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता है? Has this ever happened with you? कि आपने कुछ start किया and then you did not like it, तो आपने उसको बंद कर दिया? No? Okay, it happens with me a lot. I start a movie and then after 15 or 20 minutes, I don't like it. So I just switch over to the next movie. Okay, so वो क्यों होता है? Because interesting first part जो 10 minutes हैं, वो interesting नहीं है movie के. अगर आपके first 15-20 minutes इतना interesting बना दोगे कि वो आगे आप वो movie देख पाओगे, that is the whole idea of the creativity. You have to capture that audience कि वो आपकी writing को पढ़े, वो आपकी movie को देखें, वो आपको सुने. Okay, so beginning, if you are starting anything, the beginning has just one job, that you have to pull the reader in. And how you can do that? Ask yourself, does your first para intrigue the reader? क्या वो reader को इतना interesting बना देगा कि वो reader आगे पढ़ेगा उस चीज को? Does it create a tension, generate curiosity? This is all you have to think about writing the beginning when you're writing a story. When you're writing a story, सबसे पहले सोचो कि उस story में build up a character. A character has to be a very interesting one. कि अगर हम लिख रहे हैं सुपरमैन की story, जिसने भी सुपरमैन और you know हैरी पॉटर सोचा है, so the character was very strong enough. हैरी पॉटर का कैरेक्टर itself was strong कि आप उसको छोड़ नहीं सकते थे, है ना? उस कैरेक्टर को उन्होंने ऐसी जगह दी, you know, magical place and everything, that children got so interested. So that particular story, Harry Potter, has now so many additions. तो उन्होंने प्लेस ऐसी रखी कि उससे बच्चों को उन्होंने इंटरेस्ट दिलाया कि उसमें ऐसी ऐसी जादू की चीजें हो रही हैं. इट्स ऑल वियर्ड थिंग्स हैपनिंग, बट इट्स काइंड ऑफ इंटरेस्टिंग, isn't it? Okay, so the beginning has to be very interesting. देन कम्स, अगर आपके बिगनिंग में 15-20 मिनट्स रीडर आपका पढ़ रहा है, एंड इफ दे आर इन द मिडल, दैट मीन्स आपने रीडर की अटेंशन ग्रास्प कर ली. ओके, नाउ टू स्टे इन द मिडल, व्हाट यू कैन डू, you can give choices to your character. For example, your heroine, I'm just giving you an example, okay? Your character wants to leave her town for higher studies, but to do this she will need to leave her family. So what should she do? अब इसमें अगेन आपने चॉइस दे दी अपने कैरेक्टर को. अब जब कोई आप मूवी देख रहे हैं हम लोग, इसमें यू नो हीरोइन इज देयर, यू रियली लाइक दैट कैरेक्टर, एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन दैट कैरेक्टर हैज गॉट अ चॉइस, ओ अब मैं क्या करूं, अब मैं क्या करूं. सो दैट्स बिल्डिंग अप योर क्यूरोसिटी ऑल्सो. आपको उसे पढ़ने की आगे इंटरेस्टिंग बनेगा कि अरे अब वो क्या करेगी, आई वॉन्ट टू रीड इट, अब उस स्टोरी में क्या होगा, आई रियली वॉन्ट टू सी दैट मूवी कि अब उसमें आगे एंड क्या होता है. Isn't it? So उससे आपका वो बहुत ही fascinating हो गया, that you really want to get into it and to see the end. So last, ending has to be again very nice. Abrupt end नहीं होना चाहिए कि एकदम से ऐसे नहीं लगना चाहिए. आपका एक आपने उसको visualize करा दिया कि हाँ ऐसे you know there's a person who's very nice, who's a teacher, and then all of a sudden उसके साथ लाइफ में कुछ हो गया है, all maybe a storm came and burnt his house, and then that person is left with no choice but to run away to a forest or somewhere. और फिर आपने एंड में लिख दिया, अब ये स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो रही है, बट अगर आपने एंड में लिख दिया कि फॉरेस्ट में उसको घर मिल गया एंड द स्टोरी एंडेड, सो वाजंट इट एन एब्रप्ट एंड कि आप सोच कुछ और रहे हो, आपको इंटरेस्टिंग बना रहे हो, बट एंड पता नहीं कैसा हो गया, राइट? सो आपकी स्टोरी का एंड भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. इट कैन बी अ हैप्पी एंडिंग, इट कैन बी अ सैड एंडिंग, इट कैन बी अ थॉटफुल एंडिंग, और यू कैन थिंक ऑफ एन नंबर ऑफ अदर वेज टू एंड योर स्टोरी. कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपने उस स्टोरी में जैसे वो आते हैं यू नो सीक्वेंस ऑफ सीरीज बनती है. सीक्वेंस ऑफ सीरीज क्यों बनती है? बिकॉज ऑफ उस एंड में यू डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन नेक्स्ट. जब आप सीरीज देखते हो, इफ यू हैव एवर वॉच्ड एनी सीरीज ऑन Amazon which has 2-3 seasons, so why it has 2-3 seasons? Because end was not up to what you expected. End was that yes, something will happen next. Okay, so ending can be of such type where you want to write another story so that reader will read your story, the second part of your story reader will be interested in. Okay, till now anybody has any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No? No? Okay, you don't have to write a 3-4 page story, you just have to write maybe 3 paragraphs. So the first paragraph will be your beginning, second will be your middle, and third would be your ending. Okay, so the topic which I am giving you today, and I'll give you 10 minutes to write because isse zyada I don't think so you will need time. Okay, and do not discuss. Write a story in maybe 120 to 150 words, because one paragraph will take around 50 words. Okay, the topic is if I were a bird. Just think, जितना आप सोच सकते हो अपने आप को एक चिड़िया की तरह पोर्ट्रे करो. सोचो कि आप एक बर्ड हो and then try to write your own feelings ki what do you think if you were a bird.
So, ma'am, any bird?
Yes, any bird, any bird. Just open up your mind and write anything what you feel. It's 11:15, 11:30. I want you to finish it off and start reading what you have written. character would be any bird. It, think of a place where that bird is. Think of an object. Object is very important in the story. You can relate your bird with any object. So that to make it an interesting one. You can even think about something related to Corona, that during Corona you all were trapped, but then birds were not trapped anywhere.
Ma'am, do we have to add a title or just start?
Saklen, I can't hear you, beta.
Ma'am, do we have to add a title or just start?
I still can't hear you. You have to be loud. Or write in the chat because I'm unable to hear you. Do we have to add a title or just start? Yes, definitely you can give a title. That would be very nice. But I've already given you how to start if I were a bird. So you can always give a title. Yes. And while writing, use as many adjectives and similes you can. That makes your writing very expressive. Okay, everyone, time up. Please stop writing. Okay, let's just listen what you have written. Let's start with Farhana.
If I were, uh, yes, if I were a bird, I would like to be an eagle so I could fly high like I've always wanted to. I could stay in the clouds and come down only when I feel hungry. I could live for 70 years because eagles have the longest lifespan. I would charge on my prey and would go faster than a shooting star and catch it. I would live in the high branches of a tree and sway with the wind. I would build my nest and rest there when I'm tired of flying. I would look at people with pride and think about how I got lucky and got a chance to become a bird. Lastly, I would go on a world tour. I would not need any passport or a visa. I could fly anywhere, no one would be able to stop me.
Wonderful, Farhana. Very good. This you wrote on your own?
Oh, yes.
Very nice. Very good. Okay. Okay, Safia, let's start with you. Good choice of being an eagle. Strong, brave, powerful. Okay.
I would also, if I were to become a bird, I would also want to become a eagle because,
Okay.
ma'am, eagle is a powerful bird, and due to coronavirus, ma'am, people they have forgotten their uniqueness. A small eagle bird like us can fly so fast, so we can also fly very high. Like not fly, ma'am, not exactly
Yes.
fly. So we can
Huh.
also go very high, even if there is coronavirus. Like, and then eagle is a symbol of powerfulness. So, like a eagle, we can also give uh, support to the people of the world because many people due to coronavirus they have become in depression, so
Hmm.
we don't need to have to become in depression. And like a eagle we have to remove the coronavirus out, like a eagle rips out its flesh
Okay.
of the
So
prey.
that is good. Yes. How you compared. That was great. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. Mudabir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's hear your story.
If I were a bird, I would have absolute freedom to explore the world from the thrilling heights of the sky, where the only limit is your imagination. Being a bird is living an extraordinary life, where the only things to worry about are food and shelter. Birds have a beautiful life. They don't have to worry of completing their homework on time or reaching the school late. Their life is as beautiful as they are. They are cheerful and can cheer you up just as you wake up in the morning with their beautiful songs. They can go anywhere they want without the worry of traffic because of their supremacy. If I were a bird, I would get a chance to live such a beautiful life, exploring the world, the colors, and the beauty of our planet Earth.
Nice. But you did not give any example which bird you want to be.
Yes,
Any bird can you think of? Character. Huh. Sparrow. Okay. Why sparrow?
because they're very cheerful.
Cheerful. Okay. And there are plenty in number. And they're everywhere. It's like sparrows are omnipresent. Okay. Good. Mozam?
Ma'am, I have given the title Me as a Bird and I
Hmm.
started. If I were a bird, I'd want to be a powerful white falcon who glides swiftly through the air, and I'd use my sharp and pointy claws to hunt down my prey.
Okay.
Then I'd like to look like a mighty bird with a white head and body and fly bravely through the gushing winds and the hot deserts to go wherever I want. Nothing can stop me, and I do as I like. When I'm hungry, I could trace my prey and take a deep dive from the soaring sky to the land and grasp my prey in one go. I'd sleep on branches or high mountains and enjoy life. Certainly, uh, certainly being a bird would be an extremely thrilling experience, and to do all the cool flying and hunting would be amazing. So that's all I would do as a falcon.
Very nice. Beautiful. You know, you all are great writers. Have you ever thought of writing anything? Okay. Okay. So, Saklen, let's hear your story.
I also wrote if I were a bird, and I choose Macau. If
Sorry,
I were,
Saklen. Huh, good.
I choose Macau.
Huh, okay, macaw. Okay. Huh.
If I were a bird, I would have explored the world, including all the seven wonders. I would be freely flying instead of being locked up in this pandemic. I will see people following the road, whereas I am flying through the sky. I will be flying with my wings rather than walking with my legs, going up like a rocket and coming back down as a water drop. I would also face some difficulties like crashing into something or being stuck in a net, but it doesn't matter because there is always a solution behind the complication. Singing in the morning and sleeping at the night.
Nice. Okay. Good, Saklen. Well tried. Okay. Okay, Ahmed Kazi.
That's fine.
Okay, let's start with your story.
Okay. If I were a bird, I titled it if I were a bird. Being a bird would be amazing. I could be able to fly above the horizon and see as far as I can until the roundness of the earth causes the ground to fall under the land. It causes the mountain to fall under the ground. I have the freedom to travel anywhere and see all the beautiful places in the world. I, I, I can travel anywhere without even touching my claws on the ground. I won't have to be locked up like the humans are right now. And I would be able to hunt my prey without even having to create complicated machines.
Mhm.
Life would be amazing.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay. Okay. Uzair? Uzair Parkar? Okay, he's left. Why did he leave? Any idea? No? Okay. So you all knew about creative writing and nobody answered. This is what you've written. I mean, this is creative writing, your imagination, and you are wonderful. If I mean, I seriously think everybody should write, you know, at least one topic in a week. The kind of adjectives you're using, the kind of similes you are using, that is so expressive. Very well written. Okay, good work. Okay, any questions?
No, ma'am.
No? Nothing? Okay. Just last thing I want to ask, grammar portion. Anybody knows about the kind of sentences? It's in your course. The kinds of sentences. You all know what a sentence is. You can frame such good sentences. So any idea about the kinds of sentences? No? Okay. If next time I take your class, I'll start with the kinds of sentences. Okay. And why I gave you this topic, that if I were a bird, because I strongly believe in freedom. You know, the birds, how they fly and they are free to move anywhere. I strongly believe in that idea. So I thought I would like to hear what you feel about it. Okay. Okay, class. That would be all for today. Have a nice day. Okay. Ahmed Kazi, can you switch on your camera and show me your face once? I want to see my wonderful writers, please. Okay, nice, good. Thank you so much. Is that you, Ahmed? Okay, he's left. Okay, children, bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have a nice day. And all the best for your exams.